Hello, my name is Pharmacist Michael, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a medication that's making waves in the treatment of type 2 diabetes and heart failure, Jardiance. Whether you're considering starting Jardiance or just want to know more about it, this video will cover everything you need to know: how it works, dosage, side effects, drug interactions, and important considerations. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
First, let's talk about what Jardiance is and what it's used for. Jardiance belongs to a class of medications called SGLT2 inhibitors. It's primarily prescribed to people with type 2 diabetes to help lower blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Jardiance has also been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular death in people with type 2 diabetes and heart failure. This dual benefit makes it a powerful tool in managing both blood sugar and heart health. Jardiance helps lower blood sugar levels by causing your kidneys to remove sugar from your bloodstream through urine. And it's been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular death in people with type 2 diabetes and heart disease or heart failure. It's also used in people with heart failure even if they don't have diabetes to reduce the risk of hospitalization for heart failure and cardiovascular death. Now, let's talk about dosage. Jardiance comes in two strengths, 10 milligrams and 25 milligram tablets. The usual starting dose is 10 milligrams taken once daily, preferably in the morning. Depending on your individual needs and how well you tolerate the medication, your doctor may increase your dose to 25 milligrams per day. Here's a quick breakdown. It is important to take Jardiance exactly as prescribed by your doctor. You can take it with or without food, but try to take it at the same time each day to maintain consistent levels in your body. Now, like any medication, Jardiance can cause side effects. While many people tolerate it well, there are a few things to keep in mind. Common side effects include urinary tract infections. Because Jardiance works by helping your kidneys excrete more glucose through urine, it can increase the risk of urinary tract infections. Similarly, an increased amount of sugar in the urine can lead to a higher risk of genital yeast infections, particularly in women. You might also notice that you're going to the bathroom more often, which is a normal effect of the medication. With more frequent urination, there's a risk of dehydration, so it's important to stay hydrated. Jardiance can cause your blood pressure to drop, especially if you're also on other medications that lower blood pressure. More serious side effects, though rare, can include ketoacidosis, which is a serious condition where your body produces high levels of blood acids called ketones. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and trouble breathing. Jardiance can also sometimes affect your kidney function, especially in people with pre-existing kidney issues. Necrotizing fasciitis of the perineum is also possible. This is a rare but serious infection of the genital area. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience pain, tenderness, redness, or swelling in this area. Now, let's talk about drug interactions. Jardiance can interact with other medications, so it's important to let your healthcare provider know about all the medications you're taking, including over-the-counter drugs and supplements. Jardiance can interact with diuretics or water pills. Since both diuretics and Jardiance can increase urination, taking them together might increase the risk of dehydration and low blood pressure. Combining Jardiance with insulin or medications that increase insulin release can increase the risk of hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. you may need to adjust the dosage of these medications. Like we said earlier, Jardiance can enhance the blood pressure lowering effects of drugs that lower blood pressure, which might lead to excessively low blood pressure. Always communicate with your healthcare provider about any new symptoms or concerns you have while taking Jardiance. Now, let's talk about how to take Jardiance properly. Jardiance is taken by mouth once a day, ideally in the morning. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your medication. You can take Jardiance on an empty stomach or with a meal, whatever works best for you. Because of increased urination, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Take Jardiance at the same time every day to maintain consistent blood levels. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, go ahead and skip the missed dose. Don't double up. Now, let's go over some special considerations. Jardiance is not recommended for people with severe kidney impairment. Your doctor will likely monitor your kidney function regularly while you're on this medication. Jardiance is not recommended during pregnancy, especially in the second and third trimesters, due to potential risks to the fetus. It's also not recommended while breastfeeding. If you have type 2 diabetes and are on a low-carb diet, or if you're fasting, you should be extra cautious, as these conditions can increase the risk of ketoacidosis when taking Jardiance. Limit your alcohol intake while on Jardiance, as alcohol can increase the risk of low blood sugar and dehydration. Of course, it's always important to follow your doctor's instructions closely and to keep them informed about any changes in your health. I hope this video has helped you understand more about Jardiance, its uses, dosage, side effects, and what to watch out for. Remember, while Jardiance can be a powerful tool in managing type 2 diabetes and heart failure, it's important to use it correctly and under the guidance of your healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health and wellness content. And if you have any questions or experiences with Jardiance, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.